In this problem, you are given a zero-indexed integer array nums and an integer k, and you have a starting score of 0. In one operation, you can choose an index I such that it is between 0 and length of nums, and you need to increase your score by nums of I and replace nums of I with ceiling function nums of I divided by 3. Return the maximum possible score you can attain after applying exactly k operations. The ceiling function is the least integer greater than or equal to val. Suppose the output of nums I divided by 3 is 3.1, then the ceiling function will return 4 because it is the next integer after 3. In this example, we have k equal to 5, so we need to perform 5 operations, and in each operation we can take the score as 10 because it has same numbers, so output is 50. In second example, we have k equal to 3, and among these we will be taking the largest number and taking that score because we need to maximize the score. So after taking 10, we need to use the ceiling function and divide it by 3. So 10 divided by 3 with ceiling function will give us 4. Again, we will be taking 4 and adding that to our result. 4 divided by 3 will give us 2 after applying ceiling function. After that, we will be taking 3 and applying the ceiling function and adding it to our result. At the end, we will have 17 as our result. Now, the approach to solve this is taking the maximum value in our list and applying the conditions for that particular number. So we can use a max heap in order to solve this problem because max heap will store the maximum value. Using that, we can apply the conditions and add it to our result. Inside our max heap, I will be storing -n because by default in Python, we do not have max heap. So we need to add a negative symbol to create the max heap, and we will be using heapq.heapify for our max heap. We will be creating a result variable to store our result, and we will be using a while loop to implement the conditions. First, we will take the maximum value in our heap by using heapq.heappop. This will give us the maximum value in our heap, and we will be adding it to our result. Notice that we are taking minus here because we have added minus n in order to create the max heap. After that, we will be using heapq.heappush to push n by 3 with ceiling function, and we will be decreasing k, so this will continue until k is greater than 0. At the end, we will return our result. I hope you have understood this solution. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.